Today, we will be making homemade pizza. The ingredients you will need are zucchini, mushrooms, red bell pepper, olives, cheese, ham, meat, tortillas, spinach, tomato sauce, and artichokes. First, you need to add tomato sauce onto your tortilla and make sure to spread the tomato sauce evenly. Make sure to spread your tomato sauce evenly until it looks like this. Then we're going to add some pieces of ham on top of the pizza. You can add as much ham as you want or as little ham as you want. Now we're going to add cheese on top of the pizza. Make sure you spread the cheese out evenly so that there will be no clumps of cheese in one spot. Next, we're going to add some olives. Make sure you spread the olives out evenly as well. Then, we're going to add some red bell peppers on top of our pizza. Next, we're going to add a couple pieces of mushrooms and spread them out evenly. Lastly, we're going to top off the pizza with some spinach. Also, make sure you add cheese on top to hold everything down together when it melts. Now, we're going to put our pizza in the pan on medium heat for 3 minutes so the bottom of the tortilla can get crispy. After, put your pizza in an oven on 350 degrees for 5 minutes or until the cheese melts. And there you have it. Enjoy!